finding a unit vector pointed in the same direction of the given vector. Alright, now when you guys want to do this, I want you guys to think for a second right now. If we have a vector, let's say this guy right here, just point in that direction. Alright, and then we have a unit circle. Now remember, a unit circle crosses at positive 1, negative 1, negative 1, right? Right. And we just want this vector right here. Alright, same direction, but it's a unit vector, so it's in it's in the unit circle, same direction, but its length is only 1. Alright. Let's pretend that this vector right here is of length 9. Okay, how would you shrink up a 9 so that he would be inside the unit circle? I'll tell you what you do. You would divide him by 9 because that equals 1. All right, so a vector not only represents a direction, but it also represents a length. Okay, so if you wanted to know what the unit vector of this is, all you got to do is divide each of these numbers right here by its length. Okay, kind of like I did right here. I went 9 divided by 9, okay? So if you want to find the length of the u vector, what you're going to have to do is you find its magnitude, all right? You're going to square root 0 squared plus negative 2 squared. Negative 2 squared is 4, and 0 squared nobody cares. And then we have the square root of 4. And so the length of the u vector, the magnitude of the u vector is 2. So all you got to do is divide 0 by 2, and you divide negative 2 by 2. Okay? And so we get 0 and negative 1. There's our unit vector, people. Now, you probably didn't have to do all that work just to find that. You see, let's redraw what I had going on right here, but let's actually graph the vector in question, okay? Now, this says 0, negative 2. That means what we're going to do is we're not going to go left or right because it's 0, but we're going to go down 2. So down here, boom, that's our vector. That's the vector in question on number 28. Okay, and if you're thinking about your unit circle, we'll draw a unit circle right here. You just need this vector right here. Okay, and that's kind of obvious. It's 0, negative 1. And that's what we got by doing all that other work. But doing all that other work on these other ones, it'll work. Yeah? Okay.